हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम वंस अगेन टू द हॉस्पिटैलिटी एनयू। आज हम एक न्यू डिश ट्राई करने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है बनाना फ्लाम्बे। ओके, और इस बनाना फ्लाम्बे में मैं कुछ अपने स्टाइल्स ऐड करूँगा विच इज़ नॉट नो ट्रेडिशनल रेसिपी। आई एम गोइंग टू इनोवेट इट इन अ सर्टेन मैनर। और इससे पहले हमने एक डिश ट्राई की थी क्रैब सुजेट, और जिसका लिंक आपको यहाँ मिल जाएगा चैनल के ऊपर। सो प्लीज़ वॉच दैट वीडियो ऑल्सो, दैट विल गिव यू अ ब्रीफ आइडिया व्हाट इज़ flambe dish and how they are to be served. So let's start this recipe, and to make this recipe we need certain ingredients are as follows. We require orange juice, and we require dark rum that is there with us. We require whipped cream for the garnish. We require castor sugar for to make some magic into the dish, and we require good amount of butter, and we require grain sugar for the purpose of caramelization. And of course the main ingredient that we require for this dish is banana. So let's start making this preparation. Okay, so first I am going to put on the flame, and let's make a caramel sugar. The pan should be dry, and first of all we add some sugar into the pan. Make sure that the sugar is evenly distributed onto the pan, because if it is not distributed evenly, the caramelization will be improper. And we'll wait for the sugar to start caramelizing. Till then we'll cut the banana. I have one dry banana. I am going to split it into half. I have already peeled it. Since we are going to do this preparation in front of guest, okay, so we need to do everything without touching the food product. So that is a very important part over here. So I have split the banana into half. What is important over here, that we take the banana which are unripe, because if the bananas are ripe, और जब हम इसको पैन के अंदर कुक करेंगे, ओके, तो बनाना सारे के सारे डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएंगे, और आप जो बनाना चाहते हो वो नहीं बनेगा और कुछ और बन जाएगा. ओके, सो लेट्स वेट फॉर द शुगर टू स्टार्ट कैरेमलाइजिंग, और उसके बाद हम अपना प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. Now the sugar has started caramelizing. Now we need to make sure that all sugar start, and we have to take care over here that if the temperature goes very high, okay, we can remove the pan from here, otherwise it will be very much dark in color. Now I am adding some butter over here. Now cook the sugar with butter. This will give a very smooth flavor to the caramel that we have prepared just now. We'll cook for a while, 30 seconds with the butter. Almost 30 seconds are over. We'll add some orange juice into it. Then add your bananas. We'll cook bananas for around 30 seconds to 1 minute so that they soak the sauce. And the sauce will also come into the consistency will be little thick, and this will look little juicy. Not much of cooking is required over here because it's a flambe dish, okay? और flambe dishes को जब सर्व करना होता है we do not cook much, okay? We put certain dishes only which require less preparation because ये सब हमें गेस्ट के सामने करना है, okay? We cannot make the guest wait for half an hour or 45 minutes for the preparation. So we do little quick preparations over here. We can even make this caramel sauce in advance and add over here, so that will quickly prepare the dish. Now the sauce is in good consistency. I am going to take the bananas out into the plate. This is one portion, so one piece of banana is good enough. We can serve 2 bananas as well for one portion. Okay, so bananas and sauce are onto the plate. Now we are going to do flambe over here. So for flambe I have taken this ladle with me. I'll heat this ladle. Okay, in the meanwhile I am going to add some castor sugar. Okay, sprinkle some castor sugar onto the banana. Okay, a little bit only, and while I'll pour the alcohol over it, it will start crackling. So that's the reason I am using castor sugar over the banana. Okay. In the meanwhile I'll also add some whipped cream on side, okay, as an garnish to the dish, because once the alcohol is poured over the dish, okay, we will not do anything after that because the dish should be served with the flame to the guest. Now take the ladle away from the flames and add the alcohol over it. Take it to the flame and then very slowly pour the rum over the bananas. You can see there are flames on the dish, और ऐसे ही flames के साथ इस डिश को हम सर्व करेंगे to the guest. So this is banana flambe. Enjoy it.